Welcome everyone from our YouTube channel. Today we will try to tell about how to make money from Facebook. Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world with over 2.8 billion active users. If you have a Facebook account, you can leverage the platform to make money. Here are some ways to make money from Facebook. 1. Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform for buying and selling items in your local community. You can sell anything from clothing to electronics, furniture, and even cars. All you need to do is take a photo of the item you want to sell, upload it to the marketplace, and set a price. People in your local community will be able to see the item and contact you if they are interested. 2. Facebook Ads. Facebook Ads is an advertising platform that allows you to promote your business, product or service to a specific audience. You can create ads with images or videos, and target your ads to people based on their location, age, gender, interests, and more. You can set a budget for your ads and track the performance of your ads using Facebook's analytics tools. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting other people's products or services. You can find products or services that you think your Facebook followers would be interested in, and promote them on your page. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. 4. Sponsored posts. If you have a large following on Facebook, you can earn money by creating sponsored posts for brands. Brands will pay you to create content promoting their products or services, and share it on your page. This can be a great way to make money if you have a niche following or a lot of engagement on your posts. 5. Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a feature that allows you to broadcast live video to your followers. You can use Facebook Live to showcase your skills, host Q&A sessions, or promote your products or services. You can monetize your Facebook Live streams by including ads, sponsored content, or affiliate links in your broadcasts. 6. Sell digital products. If you have a skill or talent that you can teach, you can create and sell digital products on Facebook. You can create ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads and promote them to your followers on Facebook. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money from Facebook, whether you're selling products, promoting services, or creating content. With the right strategy and a bit of effort, you can turn your Facebook account into a profitable business. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Welcome everyone from our YouTube channel.